Hi everyone, we'll see the topic division today and we'll try to understand the most out of it. So, first, I'm going to tell you about the concept of division. Okay, let's suppose that you have got 15 candies. And you have to distribute them among 5 people, let's say. So 5 people. Now with the figure you can realize that each person is gonna get 3 toffees each or 3 candies each, right? But how did I actually get over here? 15 toffees divided by 5 people, because I wanted to distribute the toffees among 5 people. So the divisor is the number of entities I have to distribute into, and 15 is the actual number of entities that there are. So these are the candies, and the 5 is the number of people. So they represent the divisor, or the divisor represents them, and candies are represented by the dividend. We call that part as dividend, something that has to be distributed. And upon dividing 15 by 5, or after dividing candies, 15 candies into 5 people, I get 3. So now we'll study the process of division. If 15 are the toffees and 5 are the people, so how many times can 5 go into 15? So 3 times can 5 go into 15, and it leaves the remainder 0. The top number over here is called the quotient. So the maximum number of times the divisor goes into the dividend would be the answer. Mostly they would ask you the answer only. If they would ask you the remainder, you will have to tell them that this is the remainder. Right? Now we'll go on to understanding more. So I'm going to take a different number, 48 divided by 3. Okay, we see over here that the tens digit is more than the divisor. 4 is certainly more than 3. So we'll take just one digit over here, and 3 ones are 3. So 3 goes into 4 just one time. So we have 1 as a remainder. We bring 8 down. How many times can 3 go into 18? 3 times 6 is 18. 0 remainder. So 16 is the answer. We take the next number. I'll possibly take the 3-digit number. So 381. We see that the hundredths place is equal to this. So again we are going to take only one digit over here. This digit. So 3 times 1 is 3. So we'll take 1 by 1. That's what I mean. Remainder 0. Bring 8 down. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 remainder. Bring 1 down. 3 times 7 is 21. 0 remainder. So the answer for this is 127. We now go to the 4-digit number mostly, which is, let's say, 2550, and 3 is the divisor. Now we see the first number, concentrate over here. The first number, the number at the thousands place, is less than the divisor. So that's why I'll take help of the number at the hundredths place. We combine them, and now I'll see that how many times can 3 go into 25. 3 times 8 is 24. Just 8 times can 3 go into 8, and leaving 1 as a remainder. bring 5 down. 3 times 5 is 15. 0. Remember, upon borrowing, as the remainder is less than 3, we put a 0 over here, and the answer is 850. So when you borrow, or when you bring the number down, you realize that that number collectively is less than the number over here, the divisor. For that reason, we are going to put a 0 on the top in the quotient. Please remember this fact. Now we go to the another number. I'll take a 2-digit divisor now. So I'm dividing 1560 by 15. So yes, it's a 2-digit divisor, so I'll have to take 2 digits. Again, the same rule will apply. So 15 times 1 is 15. We have a 0 remainder. We bring 6 down. But 6 is less than 15. So what are we going to do? We put a 0 over here. Again, bring 0 down. Now 15 times 4 is 60. 0. One last for you. 540 divided by 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 0 remainder. We bring 4 down. But 4 is less than 5. So again put a 0 in the top. Bring a 0 down. Now 5 times 8 is 40. The answer is 108. Mostly the mistakes happen in these types of questions. Other than that, division is easy. I'll give you more questions in the class while we do practice. Meanwhile, you can revisit this any number of times so that you have the concept edged over in your mind. That's it for the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care.